Okay, student, now we will discuss third problem here from your exercise. What is actually given to you? Number of elements in universal set are 50, and A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 28. Then two things you have to find out here. First one is the greatest value of number of elements in A union B, and second is the least value of n number of elements in A intersection B. So first we will take this problem here. Actually, student, greatest or least values may be asked in your exam. This is a key question here. So for finding this, you better know that greatest value of n A union B. If we have a Venn diagram here, just like this, and this is a suppose universal set. Set A and B are this just like this. This is A and this is B. So n A union B means A union B may be equal to universal set or less than that. Actually, we have a concept here, that is, since A union B is a subset of universal set always from this Venn diagram, because A and B are subset of universal set and their union is also subset of universal set. This implies that number of element in A union B is always less than or equal to number of element in universal set. This you have to keep in your mind, students. This is very important concept here, based on union Venn diagram. Okay, so A union B is subset of universal set, then always number of element in A union B is less than or equal to number of element in its universal set. Using this concept, we can find out the value of n A union B. It means maximum value of A union B may be number of element in universal set. Therefore, the answer of this first one will be, because the number of element in universal set are 50, so the greatest or maximum value of n A union B will be 50 itself. So your answer is 50. Okay, I think you got it. Now second portion is there, the least value of n A union A intersection B. So first of all I will remove this here from here. Okay, see here, least value of n A intersection B. So students, you have already the value of this n A intersection B is going to be given as A. This, so we have a formula here. Since second part of this n A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. This is the formula, we have already discussed this. So see here, if we get this value, NA we have already given as 30 plus NB is already given as 28 minus NA intersection B. This is nothing but this is n A union B, and you know that n A union B is always less than or equal to 50. Here n A union B is less than or equal to n this one. Okay, using this concept, since n A union B is this value, so you can put in place of this, you can put this value. So here we will get 30 plus 28, 58. 58 minus NA intersection B is less than or equal to number of elements in universal set, that is 50. Okay, now use this concept here. Next step, 58 minus NA intersection B is less than or equal to 50. So shift this 50 here and this right side. So you will get here 58 minus 50 is less than or equal to, this will shift to the right side, you will get here NA intersection B. So 58 minus 5, you will get here 8, this is equal to NA intersection B. So from this, students, you can see that the minimum value of NA intersection B is 8. It means the value of A intersection B is 8 or more than 8. So therefore, least value of A intersection B will be 8. Your answer is 8. Okay. Now we will discuss this third problem. Okay.